Hello, my name is Teacher Jake and welcome to Kindi 3B Speaking Test. What's your name?
My name is Ruby.
Ruby, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
You're 6 years old?
Yes,
And how are you today?
I'm good.
You're good. Now, Ruby, let's count numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, next, let's continue. Not yet finished.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20,
20.
20,
Okay, here we count by 10.
10,
Next, here, 20,
20, 30, 40,
50,
50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Alright, let's have different letters and words. Ruby, letters E and
E and E.
what's the sound?
E.
E. The
R.
letters A,
A. I.
R.
R.
What's the sound?
R.
Air.
F.
Letters
F.
S and
H.
okay, what's the sound? Correct. Letters
U.
and
R.
what's the sound?
U.
Er. Letters
The O.
and
and
I.
I.
The sound is
I.
oi.
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 Letters
Letter O.
and
And letter R.
what's the sound?
R.
Or. Letters O
Letter O.
and
And letter W.
the sound is
One.
O.
O.
Letters E,
E.
A,
R.
A, R. It's the sound is
Ear.
ear. Now let's continue. Ruby, let's have animals. You tell teacher Jake what animal is this? It's a
It's a lizard.
lizard. This one?
It's a turtle.
Yes.
It's a pig.
Is it a penguin? It flies. Again, it flies. It's a parrot.
It's parrot. It's rabbit.
Say hedgehog.
Hedgehog. And bear.
Okay. What does a lizard feel like, Ruby? Is it soft? Is it smooth? Is it rough? Or is it what else we have? Is it sharp? Okay? Lizard, it's
It's
rough.
rock.
How about a turtle? What does it feel like? It's
It's swing.
it can swim, but how do you feel it? It's
It's
smooth.
smooth.
Okay, this time let's have another one. Let's have body parts, Ruby.
I got eye.
I've got eyes.
Eye.
And how about this one?
Ear.
I've got
I got ear.
I've got ears.
I got ear.
And this one?
I have nose.
I've got a nose. Here, I've got
hand.
hands.
Hand.
And here, I've got here, I've got
foot.
feet, 2 feet. And I've got legs.
Leg.
Okay, here, let's go to 3D shapes. Let's start with this shape.
Shape is circle.
Yeah, circle, but this one is 3D, so you say sphere. You say sphere.
Spear.
Okay, how about this one, Ruby? Is it a cone? Yes or no?
Cone.
Yes, it's a cone. How about this? Is it a cube? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. How about this? Is it a cylinder? Okay. Now this time, Ruby, you're going to tell me what's the shape of an ice cream cone?
Cone.
Cone. How about the ball?
Circle.
Circle or sphere?
Circle.
Yes, circle, but 3D shape is sphere. How about the box? Cube.
Cube.
And a tin?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay. Now this time, Ruby, let's talk about or tell the time. What time is it here?
It's 1 o'clock.
What do you do at 1 o'clock, Ruby?
I sleep.
You sleep. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
What do you do at 3 o'clock?
I sleep.
You still sleep at 3 o'clock? And here, what time is it?
5 o'clock.
What do you do at 5 o'clock? You wake up. And what time is it?
11 o'clock.
This one?
11 o'clock.
Is it 11?
Yes.
It's 7. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. What do you do at 7 o'clock, Ruby?
I go to school.
You go to school. And what do you do at this time? What time is it?
It's 10 o'clock.
Okay. Now, what do you do at 10 o'clock?
I sleep.
You sleep. Okay, complete the sentences. Ruby, I get up at?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
School starts?
School starts at 7 o'clock.
And then, I have lunch.
I lunch at 20 o'clock.
20? Is it 9? And I go to bed at?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, that is the end of our speaking test. Ruby, say goodbye to the video.
Goodbye, teacher.